As I've always said, and I did indicate on 20th of February during the NDC, the Democratic Party is a party that believes in consultation and cooperation. And we have been consulting both as a party at the national management level and at the NEC and other leadership levels. And we are almost getting to a point where we want to say that we don't mind. We don't mind talking to other parties of like mind. What is important is like mind. And you know, for me, it has been very clear some of the issues that are very, very close to my heart. I want to talk to people that, first of all, appreciate my passion for the fight against corruption. Because if not for no other reason, I am the international vice president of GOPAC, which is the Global Organization of Parliamentarians Against Corruption. I am still the president of the African Parliamentarians Network Against Corruption in the continent. And therefore for me, the fight against corruption is one of those things that are very, very dear to my heart. And because many of the programs that I talk about, especially those social programs to do with education, with health, things like access to water, job creation, all those are not things that are going to be attainable unless we are in the forefront in the fight against corruption. Yeah? Yeah. Hawa?
Upande wa Azimio ni kama kidogo huko ushiko upande hata kama kuna mazungumzo.
Hakuna mambo ya shingo upande. Yoyote ambaye ako tayari kuzungumza nasi na ambaye atakubali kuyatia haya mambo yote kipao mbele, tutazungumza. Unajua mazungumzo ni si kitu baya. Unajua sisi zote ni wa Kenya na tunataka kila mmoja ambaye tutazungumza naye awe ni mtu wa nia njema, si mtu ambaye anajitakia makuu tu, ambaye nia yake ni ukubwa tu, utawala. We don't just want power for its own sake. We want power